Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also when subscribing the channel, do turn on the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading any video, you get the notification regarding this. Also join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, as if most of the students are having essential interview in the upcoming days, so in this video I'll be sharing the interview experience of a selected student, that what sort of questions was asked from him. So accordingly we'll be moving further in the video. One more thing, that many of the students, those who registered for the essential recruitment process, didn't receive any detail regarding the further process. So the reason can be that they are still evaluating your documents. Also, for those students who have uploaded their minor PAN card, or there is some sort of error in their documents, the photo is not clear or any such thing, so sorry, you won't receive any mail from the essential side for the further process, because your application will be discarded. Because even in the time of the registration, during the time of the registration, if your picture was not clear, the PAN card picture was not clear, so they were giving the warning regarding this. But what happened, many students just move further, they just move further without considering this warning, and the result will be that you won't be getting the chance to attend their assessment. Okay. And other thing, if you have done everything correct in your form, so don't need to worry. After the proper evaluation of your documents, you will definitely get the link for the assessment for the further rounds. So just wait for your chance. Well, just talking about the difficulty level of the interview, just let me tell you that if you have cleared all the rounds, interview is not going to be that tough. It will be all about your confidence. It will be all about your involvement in the projects, and so that is not going to be very difficult. Also this time Accenture is hiring for two roles, that is associate software engineer and software engineer. Your performance in all the rounds, including the interview round as well, will determine whether you will be getting the role of associate software engineer or software engineer, right? The package varies for both the roles. So let's start with the interview questions now. So you can see in the interview round, you will be having two panel members. One will be an HR, and the other person will be related from technical background. So first of all, HR will start the interview, just the asking the most basic question, that is introduce yourself. So make sure you have prepared with that particular question. Also, that should be just the reply regarding introduce yourself should be crisp and concise. You don't have to tell about your family and all sort of backgrounds, because that is not needed. They are asking just about you. But if they're asking you regarding your family background or so, then you can include that part. Fine. Then generally what we have got from the students regarding the interview process is that they are generally focusing on the projects in the interview. So they are not asking the questions from coding or correlated subject or so. Generally they are focusing on the project. So on that note, what you can do, whatever project you have mentioned on your resume and whatever project you have done, just be clear about this, because whatever questions you will be getting in the interview, that will be related from your project only. So if you have done any project on Android or machine learning or any other technology or so, just be clear with the technology, be clear like what your project is doing, what is the algorithms you have used, what is the outcome, what is the use of that particular project, and so be ready with these sort of questions, because definitely these sort of questions will be asked from you. Also, they can ask you about your role in the project. Whenever you are making a project, definitely the work is divided among the team members, right? Someone is doing some other part, someone is doing the front end part, someone is doing some other part. So this is how it goes. So definitely interviewer will ask you that what is your role in the project. Next is that definitely if you are working on a project, it's not like it always going to be very smooth process. You will face the problems. So on that also he can ask you that what were the problems you faced during the project. Also, was there any issue among your team members, because there may be a case that team members are not able to connect with you, they are not getting the flow of the project, they are not understanding what actually project trying to do. So there can be certain issues related, maybe some related to some sort of idea or some technical issue. They are not able to understand a particular algorithm or so. So accordingly, you can explain that whatever issues you have faced. Also, just mention a positive point also, that how you manage to tackle this particular issue. For example, if one of your team members is not able to understand a technical part of the project, so you can mention that how you helped him to understand that particular thing. You just organize the meeting of your team members, and then you discuss the flow of the project and all the technical aspects of the project and results and the problem statement and all these sort of things. This will definitely not only help them to understand that yes, you have played a major role in the project, also they can understand that yes, you are a good leader. You are able to lead your team members, you are able to understand their problems, you are able to manage all sort of things. Fine. They can ask you some, like HR will definitely ask you some basic HR related questions, like is what do you think that a leader should be like, and according to you, what is leadership? Some questions related to time management, like these sort of basic questions that HR usually asks. Pros and cons of working in a team, and at the last, any questions for us. So the interview is not going to be very long. Hardly it will be 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. And in this 10 to 12 minutes, there will be technical plus HR. Both interview will be there because there will be two panel members. So around 95% chances are there that you will be selected for the role. Only thing is that if you are not doing any kind of blunders, although I have already told you that most of the time you will be getting questions from your projects and some basic HR questions. So just be clear with your project, whatever you have done, and just be confident at the time of interview. And that's it, guys. You will be definitely selected. I hope this video has helped you. I hope this video has helped you a lot in understanding the flow and what you have to do. So just be well versed with all the questions that are mentioned right now on your screen. Take a screenshot and prepare the crisp answer for these particular questions. And also be well versed with your resume. If you have mentioned some sort of programming languages, you must have some idea. It's not like if they haven't asked some correlated questions, some technical questions from a particular candidate, they won't ask you from you as well. Generally, they are asking from the projects. That's what I mentioned here. Okay, so all the best, guys. Those who are having the interview in upcoming days, all the best. Do your best. I hope this video has helped you a lot. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, do share this channel. Do share this video among your friends as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Be safe.